What's going on? So today we got a video from Columbus Police Body Camera, and the title of the video is "He Put the Car in Drive." Okay, simple title. Okay, let's see. You know, they ain't come up with no crazy title. Let's see what's gonna happen, man. Let's get into it.
Stop. I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, sir. Help. Please,
Give
sir.
us your hand now.
I'm not doing nothing.
Give me your hand.
Please help me. Got one shot in the black Nissan on front.
Okay, East NS. 11 photos on. Do you know where you're going?
Slumped over.
No, I don't. Okay. Slow down. Because NS is, start making a right.
There's a bullet hole in the front side of the vehicle. 24 is en route.
It's south of us. Okay. 8th is going to be before Parsons. Go ahead and shoot south here on 1st.
Okay, so somebody slumped over. Okay, so we got some action. Let's see.
We're looking for Ennis. Nice and
Two
calm,
officers in the
alright.
car.
Male shot in a black Nissan Altima slumped over the wheel.
Typically, the ladies is the ones with the Nissan Altimas.
So we're probably going to have to block it in so that we can get access to him and help him out. This is Ennis. I'm getting gloved up, alright. Left. Slow down. Alright, stroll up, move up. This is 5th. That's 11, that's great copy, I'm on it. What's your address?
Yeah, it's at the intersection of Ennis and 8, the middle of the road.
Yeah,
Black Nissan with one on board.
Brook. Looks like up there. There we go. Yep. 111, we're pulling up.
Oh dear.
Yep. Stop. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
My man. Hey. What's going on?
Hey.
What's going on?
Yes, sir.
You alright, bud?
Yes, sir.
You alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, step out.
Yes, sir.
Step out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Step out.
Yes, sir. I'm getting out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting out right now, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting out, sir.
Out. Step out.
I'm getting out.
Step out.
Please stop, sir, please.
Stop.
Sir, please stop.
Car.
I'm not doing nothing. Sir, please. Please stop.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Stop, sir, please stop.
Car.
I'm not doing nothing. Sir, please. Please stop. Sir, I'm getting out, please. Please stop, sir, please. Help. Please stop, sir.
Stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, sir. Help. Please,
Give us
sir.
your hand now.
I'm not doing nothing.
Give me your hand.
Please help me. Why are you doing this to me? Why, sir? Why, please? Help me, please.
Not a 43 passed out behind the wheel, trying to take off.
What's wrong, man?
Well, not a 43.
Oh. Oh, okay, thank you. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my God. Why'd you have to do that?
Slow down.
Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out, was he doing the shooting or did he get shot? Cause he ain't even, where the bullet holes come from? I'm trying to figure this out. I'm thinking he slumped over. We gonna see him bleeding or, whatever. Like somebody did a drive-by and got him, try to check him out of this life, send him to the afterlife or something. That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, this ain't even, hopefully there's more information to this because I'm confused.
Roll them over. Nice and careful.
Hey, guys.
You hurt?
Yes.
Where? You hurt?
My bag, man.
What?
My bag.
Nobody. Half on a poor guy. He tried to. Oh no, he tried to take off on us.
Oh, I didn't try to take off, man. I did not try to take off. I'm sorry, dude. I woke up scared, man. I woke up scared, dude. I'm nervous.
Alright. Alright. Ready? Yep.
Oh,
You got a good pat down?
Yes.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Oh, God. Come on, guys. Please help me. Please. Oh, my gosh. Oh,
Front of the cruiser.
please help me.
Stand up.
I'm trying, man. Oh, my
Alright,
God.
spread your feet.
Man, please help me.
Face forward.
Why? Why?
Careful. Hey,
Why does it hurt so bad?
careful. Alright, he might have needle. Good.
I don't
You got
have no
needle?
needles, sir. No. No. Oh my God. I don't have no needles on me, guys. I'm sorry. Man, I don't know what I just did, dude. My back is killing me, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
I bet.
oh my God.
He got a red
Why
bandana
did you
on
do that
and
to me?
Uh-huh.
I'm
Nice
sorry.
try, bud.
No,
July.
I'm serious.
Hey,
I
you
wasn't
can just
gonna
be
run
quiet
from you
right
guys.
now.
Guys,
You
I'm
just be
not-
quiet right now.
I'm not running from you guys.
Dog, you put the car in gear and tried to step on it.
For
You can
June.
cut all that shit
I was,
out.
no,
I don't want
was
to hear it
nervous,
anymore.
sir. I'm not running.
I don't care.
Flashback.
Yes, sir. I'm getting out.
Out. Step out.
I'm getting out.
Step out.
Please stop.
Oh yeah, they gonna get you together, boy. Oh yeah.
Step out.
Oh yeah. Yoke them up, boy.
Step out now.
You thought this
End
was?
of flashback.
Alright, sir.
What you thought this was, boy? They gonna tighten you up.
Well, we'll probably have to have you check him out.
Yeah, never mind.
Please.
I was afraid. You guys obviously know I was high.
What's that? Yeah, he's saying his back's hurt.
Not a 45, it is down a hill here.
Oh,
Back
okay.
to a female.
Okay.
I'm scared, guys.
Mm.
Good job, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Mark.
Guys, what am I being charged with?
Oh, you about to catch a felony fleeing charge. You should
Please.
probably keep your mouth shut and face forward. I ain't real happy with you.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, man. I won't-
I've been known to be petty as shit, so listen to what I'm saying.
They came up to him. He tried to take off.
Yeah, we had a struggle in the driver's seat. Somebody threw it into gear, and we got ripped out of the car. So
And what is your name, sir?
Joseph Dodson.
How old are you?
34.
What's your date of birth?
Mark. Joseph. So, man, you're gonna be banged up a little bit, alright? I would suggest you see how you feel.
Not yet.
Okay.
It's only just tried to.
If this process is wrong, professional.
Joseph, and then I need to
Instead
say
of
the last name.
Need to be seen? Alright.
What's your last name, my man?
Oh, man. My hands are numb.
What's your last name?
Dodson.
Spell it for me.
D-O-D-S-O-N.
D-O-D-S-O-N?
Yes, sir.
we're gonna have one follow you.
Alright, buddy. Let's get on this spot.
Yeah, I'm curious to see what they're gonna charge him with.
Mr. Joseph Dotson is no stranger to the criminal justice system. I counted 23 cases in Franklin County Municipal Court alone.
What the heck? Bruh. Dating back to 08? God, this kid don't learn, bro. You too old. Career criminal. Literally. Career criminal.
Mr. Joseph Dotson is no stranger to the criminal justice system. I counted 23 cases in Franklin County Municipal Court alone. For this incident, he was charged with OVI and pled guilty on August 21st, 2024. He spent 24 days in jail, was given 156 days of time on the shelf, as well as 3 years of probation.
Yeah, 3 years of probation that he's gonna end up, messing up anyways. I'm sure he's been on probation damn near his whole life. Okay, clearly, because when you keep getting in trouble and getting more time, that just tackles on top of what you already got. You know what I'm saying? This man don't make no sense, man. I give these officers, man. I rate these officers. I give them a 4 out of 5, man. They did a pretty good job. 4 out of 5, you know what I'm saying? But I got to knock a point, you know what I'm saying? Because they didn't come to a complete stop at that stop sign, okay? They rode right on through it. They slowed down and then slid on through. They ain't come to a complete stop, all right? And if that was me and you, we would be getting a ticket for that. So, I can't give them a 5 out of 5, but I give them a 4 out of 5. They did pretty good.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.